What's going on, Hayden? Ready to go?
Yeah, dude, let's go.
Cool.
How you doing today, man? You ready for work?
Yeah, man, not too bad. It's super hot, but ready to kill it.
Crazy hot out here. Hey, you want to grab some breakfast before we go in?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Alrighty, Vic, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Get to know you a little bit better. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
All right. First question. How do you start your day?
I start my day by looking at my phone.
Nice.
Not the best way, honestly.
If you could switch lives with one person for a day, who would it be?
Probably Batman.
Batman? Pretty solid. I think I might do Superman, honestly.
But I don't care, dude. I didn't ask you.
What's the best compliment you've ever received?
I do awesome work on customs and restorations.
Nice. 3 hobbies you'll never give up?
Restoring shoes, customizing shoes, and making stuff.
What's the first memory you've ever had of life?
Probably dropping my brother.
And something you can't do?
There's nothing I can't do.
You do everything. Okay. So do you have any hidden talents then?
Nope, they're all exposed.
What's the best thing that happened to you this month?
Probably filming this video with you guys.
Nice, nice. What makes you laugh no matter what?
People getting hurt.
Best advice for your 18-year-old self?
Keep doing what you're doing.
Would you ever live anywhere besides Phoenix?
I would, but home is home. I will die here.
Where else would you live?
New York. For a year.
Nice. It's brunch. What do you eat?
Chicken and waffles.
Solid choice. Best vacation you've ever taken, and where was it?
Probably Mexico, but New York is one of my favorites also, but it wasn't really a vacation. I went there for SeniorCon, but it was kind of a vacation.
Nice. Favorite Disney animal?
I don't know about an animal, but character, Buzz Lightyear.
What do you do on a rainy day?
Do nothing. Watch movies.
Yeah, there's not much to do.
Yep.
Really go outside and do anything. First celebrity crush?
Pink Ranger, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Nice. TV show you binged on recently?
Watchmen on HBO. Such a good show.
Never seen it. I might have to check that out. Did you ever visit a nude beach?
Probably.
Okay, okay. If you could only eat one food for a week, what would it be?
In-N-Out.
What's your go-to burger? What do you get?
3x3, whole grilled onion, raw onion, chilies, pickles, spread with a vanilla milkshake and fries.
Sounds
every
smack. I might have to come with you sometime and get that.
There we go.
What was the last thing you took a photo of?
Receipts for reimbursement. Reshoeminator owes me some money.
Nice. What are you irrationally afraid of?
Reptiles? Frogs? I don't know if frogs are reptiles, but that kind of stuff.
Actually, I think a frog's an amphibian.
Yeah. Still, I'll put it in that
Snakes,
category.
stuff like that. Yeah.
Reptiles, they just look weird.
If you had 3 wishes from a genie, what would they be?
Health for my family, and 3 more wishes.
Nice. If money was no object, what huge purchase would you make?
Dang. I don't know. Probably like a big piece of land.
Build a giant mansion or something?
Yeah, just like build like a whole, like everything I ever needed, just live there.
That would be pretty dope.
I don't know.
What movie makes you cry?
Rocky 3, where Mick dies.
Ooh, yeah, that's
a tearjerker.
Yeah, for sure. Would you rather go back in time or travel to the unknown future?
Unknown future, 1000%.
How far would you go?
I'd go anywhere, dude. Even if it's like a week from now or 2 weeks from now, who knows what's going on. 2020's been interesting, so you never know what's gonna happen.
That's a good point, yeah. Any adventurous thing you want to do?
I want to visit the 8 wonders of the world.
Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon?
Yeah, I have actually.
That's
I've one.
7 more. Favorite TV show host?
Conan O'Brien.
It's a great one. Someone narrated your life. Who would you want to be the narrator?
Mr. Freeman.
Hell yeah.
No. The guy that plays Darth Vader's voice.
Really? I feel like Morgan Freeman is the best narrator.
Or they could do both, half and half.
Half, 50-50.
Or they could say it at the same time.
Narrator could be like the angel on your shoulder, and Darth Vader could be the devil on your shoulder.
Yeah, I can see that.
Let's see. What's next? What's the coolest thing you're working on right now?
Coolest thing I'm working on now is I'm working on my sewing machine. Doing a lot of learning and practicing.
Oh, that should be dope. Can't wait to see what you do with that.
Yep.
What's your favorite way to spend a night alone?
Eating ice cream and watching TV.
I think we can all agree on that one.
Big sweets person.
What do you think you're gonna order, dude?
I don't know yet, man. I've never ordered from here. Hello. I'll get the number 7. Orange juice and hash browns. Hayden, what do you want, dude?
I'm gonna get a number 6 with a large hash brown and an orange juice.
Did you hear that? Number 6 with the hash browns and orange juice.
Large hash brown.
Thank you so much. Card.
Thanks for paying for me, dude. I really appreciate it. How much do I owe you?
No worries, man. I'll let you know in a bit.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Back to these questions. So if like you weren't at Resjuvenator, what would you be doing right now?
Honestly, man, I don't know. Probably in the NBA.
NBA, huh?
Probably. I don't know.
That'd be pretty dope. Shooting 3-pointers and stuff like that?
Nope, Duncan.
Oh, okay. Got the vertical. If you could bring back anyone from the dead, who would it be and why?
No need for a why. Kobe Bryant.
Facts. I agree with you 1,000%. If you could choose how you die, how would you go out?
Alien invasion, get taken away, land in Mars, have no oxygen, die.
Sounds like you thought about this one quite a bit.
I didn't, dude. I didn't. I thought about it right now.
Cool. What's the oldest thing you own?
Oldest thing I own? Probably my cigarette box that belonged to my grandpa.
Is it from like early like 50s, 60s?
Probably 40s, 50s, 60s, I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Insane.
I don't smoke cigarettes though, so it just sits there.
Yeah. What movie did you see that you were disappointed in but everyone loved?
Avatar. I think that movie's like one of the biggest movies of all time, and it was just so boring to me.
Like the blue people one, right?
Yeah, the blue people one.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that movie. That's crazy.
Yeah, I know there's a 2 coming out, but I'm not feeling it.
Can't wait for that. What reality TV show do you secretly enjoy?
Jersey Shore?
Either one. TV show or movie that you quote the most?
Coming to America.
Great movie.
A lot of cussing.
Yeah. What's your favorite late night snack?
Sweets, ice cream, lifesavers, chocolate, you name it. Cookies.
Sweets, anything pretty much?
Pretty much.
Nice.
It's gonna be a death of me.
What is the fastest that you've ever driven?
100 miles, give or take. Hello. Yep. Thank you.
So Vic, you ready for Mini World, bro?
Oh, super, man. It's been a long time coming.
Yeah, dude, I think I remember, what was it, like 2.5 years ago when Steve told us about it?
Something like that. It's crazy.
Crazy. Huh? You ready to eat this food, man? I'm starving.
Super, man. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. Hey, Vic, I appreciate you paying for breakfast, dude. Was $7 worth?
Yeah, dude. No problem.
Thank you. Do you care if I ask you a few more questions?
Sure thing, man.
Have you ever sleepwalked before?
Nope, never.
Okay. Who's your favorite Star Wars character?
Boba Fett.
Have you ever cut your own hair?
Once. Not the best idea.
No? Will you ever do it again?
Maybe.
What's for dinner today?
In-N-Out.
Can't go wrong with that.
Never.
What can you see from your window?
A brick wall.
Nice. I bet that's great to wake up to in the morning. Were you named after anyone?
My dad and my grandpa. Vick the Third.
Vic Almighty the Third. Would you ever skydive?
No.
Do you untie your shoes when you take them off?
Sometimes, mostly no.
Depends on the shoe.
Yeah.
Favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla.
Favorite smell?
Fresh green lettuce.
Puppies or kittens?
Puppies.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate.
What would be the title of your autobiography?
Almighty.
I like it. Great name. So Vic, do you like your own handwriting?
I don't.
What's your favorite kind of cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The taste you can see.
Would you rather have a pet dinosaur or dragon?
Dragon.
Dumbest way you've ever been injured?
Fell off my bike by hitting the front brakes first, and then I completely ate it.
Ouch, that sounds rough. What do you got going on the rest of the day?
Working on shoes, man.
What shoes you working on today, Vic?
Jordan Black 4 lasers, man. It's been a while since I've worked on these before.
Nice. So you guys gonna be shooting today?
Actually filming right now.
All right, for sure. Well, before you guys start, is it cool if I ask you a few more questions?
Yeah, you got a couple minutes before I actually get started with the video.
Alrighty, awesome. Let's go. World wants to know, Vic, is a hot dog a sandwich?
Hot dog is not a sandwich, but it's a glizzy.
Pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
Never, 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 never.
If you had to spend $10,000 today, how would you spend it?
I'd go put a down payment on a house.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas and my birthday, and yes, my birthday's a holiday.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue?
Nope.
What's under your bed?
Nothing.
What was the first concert you ever attended?
Mac Miller's Blue Slide Park back in 2010. Such a good concert.
Bet that was a great concert, dude.
I still have the ticket stub. I'll never let that go.
Nice. Pick one, Nike or Adidas?
Nike all day.
Favorite Nike?
Air Jordan 1, I believe that's a Nike.
I'll give it to you. Would you rather fight one horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses?
100 duck-sized horses. I can stomp them all.
Would you rather see everything in slow motion or in fast motion?
Fast motion, but slow motion would be really cool. It has some really cool music.
That'd be dope. Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Worst food you've ever tried?
Pineapple.
Alrighty. One last question for you today, Vic. How hard was it to answer all these questions?
It wasn't too bad, man. It was actually pretty easy. All right, let's do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Restoration with Vic. For today's episode,